Hey, hey, this nigga is back, bro. Hey, what to do, YouTube, man? What's up, Jits? This boy Shehatesjosh back another video. My nigga back another fucking reaction. Welcome back to my fucking channel. Sneezing on strangers, bro. My nigga Young Boots back. Hey, I ain't gonna lie to you, cuz this nigga funny as hell. Cuz I was watching the video. I think it was Valentine's, cuz he was going up to people, he was giving females flowers and shit, bro. Like aggressively, cuz the nigga was it's like this shit. That shit had me rolling, cuz he took a nigga girl in the video. She told him, "You ain't never gave me flowers." Coming that meant time. I'm like, hold on, bro. I ain't react to it, but I'm high as fuck watching that shit, cuz eating. I'm like, bro, this nigga dumb as fuck, cuz. So when I seen this, I was like, yeah, I gotta react to this shit. I know this nigga like. Some dumb shit just always happening to this nigga. This nigga be sacrificing. This nigga, like, bro, I got a question, bro. You don't like care about being embarrassed, my nigga. I couldn't do it, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. I wouldn't do it, to be honest. I'm not that type of nigga just go around pranking niggas. Like, unless it's like somebody I know personally, cuz I'm gonna do that to somebody I know, yeah. Like my family, my homeboys, like, yeah, like people I know personally. Of course I'm gonna do it like that. Like, I'm gonna do that shit to them, but nigga, I ain't finna just go up on no random person prank their ass. Like, I don't know what these niggas might, your ass on motherfucking camera, nigga, you don't know. But y'all boys happy. Like, comment, subscribe, man, enjoy the video, man. Let's see this shit, bro. This nigga funny as hell.
When your loved one is hurt on the job,
we just got done react to
they come to us.
Patience by what's it called? Hurricane Wisdom and No Cap.
When your mom
that was hard. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Bad accident at work.
This long ass. I'm about to say, damn, this long ass ass.
Go somewhere.
What you? Hey, watch out! Hey, watch out!
What the
Huh?
You just sneeze. Bro, get go somewhere.
What you? Hey, watch out! Hey, watch out!
Go somewhere.
Ah, shawty! Oh, damn! I ain't gonna lie, boy. Hey, man, Young Mooch, but you better than me, brody. You better than me, brody. Nah, bro. I ain't letting it get this far. I'm gonna be like, chill, it's a prank, shawty. I ain't gonna lie to you, baby. Not finna throw no motherfucking frappe on me, whatever that is. Cause if she do, boy, if she do, I'm sorry. I know I'm already in the wrong, but hey, I don't know. That boy jack the shit. Let me get to the video. That boy jack. That boy said, "Hey, chill out. Put it right on the table, nigga."
Did you sneeze on me?
Look at that. You just sneeze on me? Obviously.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy.
Oh my god, this nigga lame.
Young Boots, man. Look, man,
hey!
As I could tell by the title, you know.
Let's see what my dog doing, brody.
I got some sprays with me, you know, and I'm gonna be pretending.
Hey, you gotta do some fart spray shit. I'm gonna do some fart spray shit. Now, I'm gonna do that shit on bro.
I don't know how they gonna react. I know they're gonna be mad though, cause nobody like getting sneezed on. And we're gonna get this.
Yeah, nobody like getting sneezed on, nigga.
Sure
sneezed on, you spit on, nigga. Boy, that's a way to get your ass beat, cuz real shit. That's some disrespectful ass shit. I ain't know if you spit on somebody. That's a what's it called, bro? That's a what's the shit called? Nah, felony. What's that shit called?
I'm about to go prank.
I forgot some shit, bro. I know if you spit on nigga, that shit like that shit.
Let's go, y'all. Oh my god.
You tripping? Old head finna do it to you, man. I can see how dude built he finna do it to you.
Man, what the fuck? What's wrong with you, bro? You sneeze on me, bro?
Yeah. I can't see.
You ain't gonna say excuse me?
What you mean?
You gonna say excuse me?
Cuz this shit staged, bro. Cuz no way in hell this nigga just I don't know, cuz. I don't know. I don't know, bro.
What you mean?
You gonna say excuse me?
I just like sneezing, bro.
Fuck you like sneezing for, man? You know you this nigga ain't just sneeze on me.
What you mean?
He said, man, this nigga ain't just sneeze on me, dude. Hey, boy, you should say excuse me, yeah, bro. Nigga said, nigga, he ain't just sneeze on me, dude, bro. I'm finna, hey, that boy said, that nigga asked a question first.
You know where I'm out. Yeah, bro.
Fuck you like sneezing for, man? You know this nigga ain't just sneeze on me.
What you mean? I know where I'm at.
I will put my foot up your ass so far you be burping shoe pies, dude. Get your
Hey,
watch out! Hey, watch out! You good? Alright, y'all good. Watch out! Yo, slide! Yo, it's a video. It's a video. And we recording. We filming this shit. You good? Yo, slide, bro. Watch out! Alright, you good? Watch out! You good, bro?
Oh shit! All right, that nigga held his ass up.
Come on, let go. Y'all tripping. Let's slide.
God
What the fuck?
Huh?
Why the fuck you do that shit? Did you just sneeze on me?
This shit stage, cuz. This shit stage, bro. I think you just be having bullshit
I'm a little, like, sick.
I don't give a fuck. Why the fuck did you do that shit? That shit nasty as fuck. Bro, get your ass on somewhere.
Yeah,
That's it. Doing?
Why the fuck you do that shit?
Oh no.
That shit weird as fuck.
I'm sick.
Why she
I
so
don't give a fuck.
Why she so loud with it though, cuz? I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't like bitches like this, but I don't even call you a bitch, baby.
Oh, you tripping.
The fuck?
Oh, you tripping.
It was all you tripping. I started spreading. Bitch. Hey, she took it too far. I forgot you had a water bottle on the back of you, boy. I would've, nah, you can't do it. She like she'll beat your ass, cuz. She like you went up a her. Hey, boy. Young Moot, you like you went up on her, cuz she hit you with a Then she was some, oh, nah, you can't run up on her. Baby already, oh, nah, boy. I was about to say, you gotta run up with this little water bottle, start spraying that, nah, but, nah, she might do you in, cuz she might get the,
I'm sick.
She already loud, and you got some long ass hair, boy, yeah, she gon' she in you, boy, she in you, you can't run up on her. You can't run up on her. I know she gonna do you in, buddy.
Oh, you tripping.
I know she gonna do you in,
Oh,
buddy.
you tripping.
Run up with that, start spraying that, bitch, every
I'm a
time.
little sick.
I don't give a fuck. That's some weird ass shit.
I can't be, like, I can't control
Fuck
it.
no. Fuck.
Oh,
Go
my
sneeze on somebody
God.
else.
You're tripping.
The fuck?
I ain't gonna lie. It was a spray. I was filming you. It was a YouTube video.
Oh my god.
See, nah, this shit staged, bro. Cause no fucking way she gonna go from.
Oh my god, I'm sorry.
I don't know, but yeah, this shit
must
must
you
be.
the whole time.
Damn.
You was on camera. Oh my
Nah, bro,
God.
this nigga be so. He was on camera. This nigga so fucking. Think you cool
I
again?
understand.
Fuck that.
You okay? It's okay. I get a hug from you, like a little side.
Yeah.
Fuck no. This nigga, what this
see these
shit?
guys.
Baby, I get a little hug from you. Nigga, not getting no hug. This nigga is a crap.
I'm about to get him mad.
This nigga.
Dude, man, what's up?
What you mean?
What's all that about, man?
What you mean,
What
bro?
are you doing?
Hey, except you, man. What's up? So, what the fuck's wrong with you? So what's all that about, man?
I think I'm about to get him.
God, white people got the most funniest voices when they get mad.
Dude, man, what's up?
What you mean?
What's all that about, man?
What you mean, bro?
The shit
doing, man?
the shit they be saying when they get mad be having me. I can't take them serious, bro. Like, I ain't gonna lie. No offense to my teachers in school, bro. That's why I used to be. That's why I was the type of person. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I didn't take it serious, cause unless I had a black teacher, she owned me. I'm like, okay, yeah. And some white teachers, you know, they know. Some I ain't gonna lie. Some white people they could, but the majority of them, bro, that shit used to be. I ain't no offense, cause I'm grown now, so I can say it. I'm 19. I didn't take y'all serious. I used to be laughing, bro. That's why I used to be like, really. That's the only thing with me. I'm just like, I laugh in your face, cuz I ain't gonna lie to you, cause y'all the way y'all try to, like, nah, that shit not
Dude,
getting to
man,
me,
what's
bro.
up?
What you mean?
What's all
Dude,
that
man,
about,
what's up?
What you mean,
What are
bro?
you doing, man?
What are you doing,
Come on, man,
man?
sneezing on me like that. Did your mama teach you lessons?
I can't sneeze on you?
No, man, it's COVID and shit. What's wrong with you,
Why
man?
you getting in my space,
Because,
though?
man, you're doing this shit to me, man. What's wrong with you, man?
It's a
Look
little
at his phone and
sneeze.
shit.
Yeah,
relax.
whatever, dude.
It's just a sneeze.
Well, I don't give a shit.
It's
Whatever.
a sneeze. You could go
I
shopping.
don't care.
Okay,
you can go shopping.
I am.
Get the hell out of my fucking face, man.
What you said?
You heard?
What you said, bro?
You heard me?
Okay, you can keep shopping. I'm
No,
good.
whatever, dude. You need to
Yeah,
back the
you
fuck
can keep shopping. You can keep shopping.
up. Dude, what's wrong with you, man?
Alright, you good? Alright, are you good, bro? Stop touching me. Okay, okay.
No, we're not good.
Alright.
He said, no, we're not good.
Okay,
Hey,
you
man, I'm
good?
making it through two months of Iraq. I can take care of your ass.
Oh,
Alright,
shit.
you can stop touching me. I'm not touching you, bro. I'm not.
Oh,
I'm
damn.
not
Hold on, man. What you mean by that, bro? That was you like the people in Iraq. I can take care of you. I think he meant that in a different way, boy. That would say you look like an Iranian, boy. He said, yeah, I already dealt with some of your kind, brother. You do look like them. I did 2 months in Iraq. I've dealt with people like you. You're nothing to me. He said, I can take you out in a heartbeat. Nah.
No, we're not good.
All right.
We're not
Okay.
good, man.
Okay.
Hey,
You
man, I'm
good?
making through two months of Iraq. I can take care of your ass.
All
Yeah,
right,
easily.
Stop touching me.
Look
I'm
how
not
he.
touching
Oh,
you.
he in his. Oh yeah, boy.
I'm not
Don't
touching
do
you.
that again, man.
Okay, I'm not touching you.
Nasty.
Okay, you good though.
No more. Get the hell out of here, man.
What?
Go somewhere else.
I know he did.
Ah, see you.
Okay, you don't have to touch me though.
Bomb and
Whatever.
shit.
You know, I can't touch you.
Stop touching me, bro. You
Really?
good? You
Really?
good? Yeah, stop touching me.
Yeah, I'm an old man, but that don't mean shit.
Okay, stop touching me. I don't want to hurt you.
He ain't heard nothing.
All
Man.
right, stop touching me.
Whatever.
All right, you good?
He's him. He's him.
No, that's it. That's it.
All right, you good? It's recording you. We're recording. You're on camera, man. You on camera, bro. You on camera. We're recording you. It was in the
This shit fake.
sneeze. You were on camera.
You been watching his ass the whole time, cuz. This shit fake.
The day you went to smell your
You seen the
cheek
motherfucker.
and smell
He been
cheek.
seen the
Yes,
motherfucking
this is the
spraying
day
shit.
that
cuz.
we have arrived.
That shit boofing for my
Celebrate all
nigga.
day, all
I
night,
just still
all
do
year
think when that
round.
nigga he just
Everybody
racially
makes
profiled
it.
you though,
Now
cuz I
we're
ain't gonna
together.
cap. That boy just racially niggas always trying to take you there. That was I've seen you before, man. He said I can deal with your kind easily.
Buy
Man.
one, get one free.
That was
boneless
I
Thursdays
did.
and $3 Tall House beers every day. With
I
all these
I
deals,
survived the
it's a
2 months in
win-win.
Iraq, man.
Only
I've
at
dealt with
Buffalo
people
Wild
like you.
Wings.
Come on, dog. Come on, dog.
People sitting down. I'm about to go get them right now. Anybody. I think I see 2 girls. We're gonna see how this goes.
You hoes be doing too much. I don't mean to call y'all. Oh shit. Well, forgive me for what I just said, man. I'm trying to turn into a new leaf. I ain't trying to, feel me? You feel me?
What the fuck?
Huh?
What the fuck? Did you sneeze on me?
I'm a little sick.
You're sick.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're fucking sick.
Huh?
You realize you sneezed on her?
Yeah, I did.
What the fuck? You're literally fucking disgusting. Yeah, no, you're nasty as fuck. Like, exactly.
I'm a little sick.
Nah, bro, that shit's weird as fuck. You could have sneezed anywhere
But my sneezes.
Nah,
my
get the fuck. Yeah, no,
My-
bro,
my
get the fuck.
sneeze- my
Nah,
sneeze is
get the
clean,
fuck.
though.
Nah, your sneeze is clean?
Yeah, that shit.
That shit's stupid as fuck, bro.
What
Damn,
you
but you
mean?
tripped. That's kind of bad too. Hold on, both of them. Damn. Why you do it to the bad ones, bro? Come on. I mean, damn. Shit.
Clean?
Yeah, that shit.
That shit's stupid as
Both
fuck.
of them, man. You could have. I could
That
have.
shit, bro.
You could have hit me up, but we could have kidded, man. Come on, man. Too bad.
I can't
I
sneeze
got
on
the
this.
one right here. I got shorty right here. You got that one. You got that one.
You can't sneeze on me. You just
I
fuck.
got
That
baby
shit's
right here.
nasty as fuck.
That shit was good.
Okay, you don't gotta yell at me though.
Bro, no, that shit's nasty. Exactly. So if I sneeze
Hey.
on you, it's gonna be cool.
Yeah, you look good, so I take it.
Hey, I'm thinking that shit. I was about to say, baby, you can sneeze on me. I ain't gonna lie to you. I was just finna say that shit. I was like, nah, that shit gonna sound kind of weird.
It's gonna be cool.
Yeah, you look good, so
Hey,
You-
I was finna say, I was like, that shit gonna sound weird as
You're weird as
fuck.
fuck, bro.
What you mean?
No,
It
like
was a little
that.
sneeze.
No, that shit's so fucking weird.
Okay, you can calm down.
Nah, no, calm down. You just fucking sneeze on me.
That was it. She said, yeah, you're fucking a weirdo.
Yeah, it's a video. Yeah. It's a video.
Bro, that shit.
It was a video the whole time.
That shit.
I apologize. Nah,
That
it
shit-
was a
no.
joke.
That shit.
It was a little joke.
No,
Look,
bro.
nah, it was a joke.
Fuck that video.
It was a video, I
No,
promise.
bro.
I wouldn't sneeze on you.
You wouldn't sneeze
I'm
on me.
sorry, I apologize. I get a hug.
No.
I see somebody shopping. I think it's
Sneeze
a
on
couple.
Sneeze on you, no. Sneeze on that nigga right there. Fuck this. Fuck him over here. Sneeze on that nigga right there. Oh, that mom.
Man, what the fuck, bro?
What you mean?
Man, you just sneeze on me, bro?
I like to sneeze.
Nah, bro, you just sneeze on me,
Are
bro?
you good, bro?
Nah, bro. Nah, bro. What you mean? Don't touch you? Don't sneeze on me. Hey, bro.
Damn.
Don't touch me, bro. I said, watch out. You good, bro. Don't touch me, bro.
He think him saying, I said, watch out, you good. Nigga, that don't change. Niggas don't care about you saying you good. Nigga be like, bro, you good.
Hey, bro.
I be thinking that shit. He said shit. Oh, you, I said you good, homie. Nigga. Girl. It get me because he said you good to them like, bro, what? Nigga, he be like, you good, homie? He like, I said you good. Nigga, it don't matter.
Touch me, bro. I said, watch out. You good, bro. Why'd you touching me, bro?
You sneezed on me, nigga. What the
What
fuck?
you mean I sneezed on you, bro? It's I sprayed. I didn't sneeze on you, bro. You good. It's a video. We was recording you, bro. Huh?
I'm gonna need all of y'all to leave my store now.
I didn't
Damn.
sneeze on you, bro. You good.
Damn. This ain't your store, shawty. Stop that capping shit. Hey, when they be, I'm gonna need all of you to leave my store now. Yeah. And oh, you lame. Nah, you lame, shawty. Come on, man. Baby
I'm
lame.
gonna need all of y'all to leave my store now. Like
I
everybody.
ain't sneeze on you.
Like
bro. You
everybody.
good.
Nah, bro.
Said, yeah, this is my store. I can
Nah,
call
bro, you good. You good, fam. What's up, bro? You good. You good. You good, bro.
Why did he be saying you good?
Tripping.
Hey, y'all too. I'm gonna need y'all to stop recording.
See a girl walking.
No.
Might get it.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
That shit was faking for. That shit was fake. Look at this shit. This shit fake.
What the fuck?
She dropped like late as
Nigga, what the
fuck.
fuck is wrong with you?
My nose a little stuffy.
What the fuck is wrong with you? Why the fuck is you so damn close to me?
I just like sneezing on pretty
fuck,
strangers.
That shit weird as fuck. I'm not gonna lie to you. That shit's weird as fuck.
I can't
This
sneeze.
nigga just fucking sneezed on me or whatever the fuck he did.
I can't sneeze.
Wet mouth ass. The fuck? No.
What about that?
What the fuck is wrong with you?
My nose stuffy.
Oh no, I ain't gonna care. That shit got me. What the fuck,
I
nigga?
can't sneeze.
Song about that, nigga.
No. Nigga, what the fuck is wrong with you?
My nose stuffy.
Fuck, nigga.
I can't sneeze.
What the fuck do you want?
I can't sneeze.
Fuck no. Not on me. What the fuck?
Yo, hold on. Wait, I'm doing a video. Look, I didn't sneeze on you. Look, right there all the way down, he recording you. He recorded you. Yeah, I didn't sneeze on you, I promise. It's a little spray. Yeah, it was a joke, I promise.
For sure.
I promise
For
it was
sure.
a
For
joke.
sure, that's cool.
Yeah, I didn't mean to.
Hey, I fuck with Shorty. So I said, for sure, that's cool. I'll leave you alone, man. But goddamn, let me get my baby saying for sure, man. Shit, damn.
I get your number.
That's why I'm like, this the guy you shot. Exactly.
I'm not going
Hey, okay, man. I was saying for sure.
Why you was backing up?
Cause that shit was weird. Like, what the fuck? Who the fuck does that?
It was a little joke. I apologize.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I apologize though.
Why she looking like that shit? Hey, I tell anybody for sure, quick.
Indeed.
Mm.
You look pretty.
Thank you.
Like, for sure, I get a little hurt from you.
Sure.
I promise, I ain't sick or nothing. Like, I'm a clean dude.
For sure. For sure.
So it's nice. I'm Malik, by the way.
Hey,
Okay, hey Malik.
You still look a little like weirded out.
Nigga, cause the situation was weird to me. Like,
For sure. I get one more hurt though.
no. Bye.
I've been waiting here. It's hot, tired. Might spray some on me. So hot.
hey man.
I've been seeing some people, y'all. I don't know. I've been hot. Oh my God.
Perfect time.
Yo, what's going on, man?
Oh, I'm a little sick. I like to sneeze.
So you're gonna sneeze on my neck?
I'm a little sick.
You gotta hold that in, man. Cover your mouth or something.
I'm a little sick.
I don't care if you're sick.
Damn.
Hey, you can get in there if you're sick. Don't be out here sneezing on people.
I like to do that.
Nah, I already had COVID. I don't need COVID again, man. You gotta get away from
Damn.
me. Hey, get the hell out of here. I'm not messing with you.
What's the hey? Get the hell out of here.
Oh, man.
Let me sneeze.
Like that's why I don't take y'all serious, bro. What?
Nah, I already had COVID. I don't need COVID again, man. You gotta get away from me. Hey, get the hell out of here. I'm not messing with you.
I can't sneeze on you.
No, man.
Let me sneeze on you.
No,
Let me
no.
sneeze on you one time.
Hell no, I'm out of here.
What you
Who
mean?
said
I
hell
can't
no? I'm out
sneeze.
here.
I can't.
What'd I tell you?
What you mean?
I'm not messing with you.
I relax. I'm a little sick, bro.
No, I don't care if you're sick.
What you doing?
You can go to the nurse's office
you
if you're
doing,
sick. Don't be
bro?
sneezing on people.
Okay, I'm a
Yeah, my
little
dog
sick.
fucked
That's
up,
all.
man.
I don't care if you're sick.
Dude, I'm a little.
Dude,
Hey,
get out of here.
we recording.
Get out of here.
It's a video.
I don't want to be on no video. I don't got time
It's
for
a prank.
videos.
Look, I didn't sneeze
I
on
don't
you.
care about no
It's
pranks.
a
I don't want to be on your TikTok.
It's a video. I didn't sneeze on you.
He said, I want to be on your
It was a
TikTok.
spray.
No, get the hell out of here.
You good? You sure? I didn't sneeze.
What's I want to be on your TikTok.
Yeah, bro. What the hell?
Hey, this nigga dumb as fuck. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I don't know if this shit staged. I don't know if this shit real or not, man. I ain't gonna lie to you. This shit was just funny though, cause that girl said, I said for sure. Damn, nigga, get your hey, boy, these on strangers, man. Y'all what you funny as hell, nigga. I ain't gonna lie to you. I had to come react to this when I seen this shit. Y'all boys tap in. Like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy the video. We got my nigga PS.